Hey guys, today I'm showing you a super easy microwave syrup pudding. First you want to grease a Pyrex bowl and pour golden syrup into the bottom. Then just pop this to one side for later. In a separate bowl, cream together the sugar, butter and vanilla essence. Add the eggs and flour and then mix until fully incorporated. Stir in the milk and then pour into the greased Pyrex bowl. Then you're just going to want to cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes in the microwave. And there you go, a super quick and delicious syrup pudding. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to subscribe, click the bell icon so you get notifications when I post, and just give the video a like so that I know that this is the type of stuff you guys want to see. If there's anything I'm not doing that you do want to see, just comment below and I will add that to the list of many videos to come. Thanks for watching guys, see you later.